What's going on? It's Katie here, and today we're going to get this critical error saving project issue resolved. This error just means the place you store your cache files is full, so we just need to make some space, and remember to do this every so often in the future to keep this error from popping up. Let's hop into it. When this icon pops up, select Reload Current, then go up to Playback, Manage Render Cache, and now you can go through and select which render caches you want to delete. You can delete any and all of the render cache files that you want. This is not going to impact your actual project at all or make you lose any files. All that Resolve is then going to do is recreate cache files when you are editing in this project to make your 4K footage run a little bit smoother. If you want to just delete all of the render cache files at once, go up to Playback, delete render cache, and press All. Now go to your project settings and master settings, scroll down to the bottom, and here you can choose where your cache files live. Personally, I like to put the cache media location on the actual SSD that I'm currently working on that project with, rather than putting it on my computer. It doesn't really matter which one you put it on as long as you have enough space, and I know that I do not have a ton of space on my actual computer, so the SSD works better for me. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If it helped you out and you enjoyed, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time with another video.